I'm using the urethane scraper to remove majority of the original urethane, leaving a couple millimeters. Cutting and holding pressure on the urethane, being careful not to slip and ruin the paint. A thin layer of urethane left over is best. Then I'll wipe it down with a foaming glass cleaner. If there are any breakthroughs with the scraper, I'll apply a windshield primer. This is going to protect the bare metal and will help with the adhesion. But again, urethane to urethane is best. Moving on to the quarter glass. I'll do the same, removing majority of the urethane, leaving about 1 to 2 millimeters of original urethane, then wipe it down with glass cleaner. A few days later, it's back from paint. I'll clean the glass and quarter panel once more before installing it. Once both contact zones are cleaned and free of contamination, it's imperative that you do not touch them. Doing so can mess up the adhesion and may result in a leaking window. I'll also remove these clips that came on the original glass. These were the lineup clips. We won't need those. Okay, let's apply urethane. I'll purge out the end of the tube of the dry urethane. Then apply it to the car side following the original path. The urethane that I'm using today is a primerless urethane. That doesn't really matter here since I'm going directly to the urethane. If you had a brand new glass, all you would need to do is clean it from any contamination and apply and install. I'm using a plastic trim tool to bridge the urethane start and finish bead together, completing a seal. The glass is now ready to go in. I'll align it and press it in. Another thing to keep in mind is before I shut my door to check the gaps, always leave one window cracked open. When shutting doors, it creates pressure in the car and pushes out on the glass. Doing this will prevent that. While the urethane is still fresh, adjust the glass until you're happy with where it sits. Then lock it down with tape, non-stretch tape. I'm using masking tape here since we ran out of the tape. And that's how it's done. Hope you learned something.